So, welcome! Ito nga pala ang Cube Craft. Sorry at malag ako sa intro ko, pero ito ang Cube Craft. Ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng All the Peoples of Love. Where is it? Bed Wars. I'm gonna go with Teams of Two because that's the many play. Maiden. Skin. Kasya ba to? Holy shit. Hilag ako. Pumunta pa kami dito. Bossing. You know. Hello? Kaya ayaw ko dito yung sa bedrock. Lagi nagaganon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Bakit? Ay. Dito. Ten. So, parehas lang 5. Wala pang kumukuha. Ang galing na itong teammate ko Parehas kami magaling actually. This. Holy shit. Mas kailangan pa namin ito kasi din. Armor. Holy. Yo. Nice. Sirain ba natin yung unang bed? Ge. Try lang. First time ko pa naman sa Bed Wars Oh my god. I keep lagging. Okay. Hindi ko pa kaya, naglalag Kita nyo naman lag ko So maybe we can destroy the thing. Oh my, malapit na naman ako malaglag. Kiss me Ay, parang kaya ko na yan. Okay, parehas kaming kumag. Holy fuck. Mabuti na patay yun ng ano ko. Tapos kapag nakaabot ako ng 200 subscribers, promise ko, papaldo to. I mean, mag-training ako hanggang sa maging Bed Wars Pro ako. Promise ko, promise. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng puro video ko, laging Bed Wars, sige. Basta mag-subscribe lang kayo. Meron ditong red team, which is ito yung pumatay sa akin. Holy fuck. I need 10 diamonds so I can get the thing. So I can kill him. Mother Acer. The fuck is wrong with you? Lupit na itong teammate ko. Yan, dapat. Yung laging tumutulong. Hindi yung Tragis, palaging papatay ng papatay ng papatay. Ano ba meron? Ade kang patek. Grabe naman yung base nila. Hindi sila you. Tsaka gagawa din ako ng Bed Wars edit. Like that, guys. Like that. Do you guys like that? Bed Wars. Let's go. Liane. Fireball. Wait. Hey, yo, hey, yo. Okay. I'm gonna buy much fireball as I can. Then, sugudin yung purple team. Kasi ayun na lang yung last. Shit. Ano pala sila? Ay. Holy. Kaya ko sugudin yung purple team. So, kaya ko. There's no way. Ano? Go. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Ah! Oh no, they are approaching. Come on, bro. Yes! Galing ng teammate ko. Ano to? ML? Aray ko. Batak yarn. Hindi ko pa kaya yung fireball jump, so susunod ko na lang yung gagawin. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh my god. Let's go back, but we don't wanna run away. She wanna run away, but me in the highway. Let's go back, but we don't wanna run away. She wanna run away, but me in the highway. Let's go back, but we don't wanna run away. She wanna run away in the highway. Oh. Let's go where we don't wanna run away. You wanna run away, but me in the highway. Let's go where we don't wanna run away. She wanna run away, but me in the highway. Attack my teammate, motherfucker. Holy shit. The fuck? She wanna run away, but we in the highway. Let's go back where the wind run away. She wanna run away, but me in the highway. What the fuck? Harda pak de camp to your door and come one. Hallelujah. Go. Yeah. What? The fuck? Ay. Oh, relapse malala. Kape pa. What the fuck? Bro, you cannot do that. I love you, girl. Come on, come on, come on. Kain golden gaps. Dali, dali. Bro, stop. Ikaw, girl. Pwede ka bang umistop? Bro, what? Is comboing me as fuck. Ah? That you can combo with me, motherfucker. Not even a chance. Uy, tayo ulit! Bagang. Ah, na-combo. Jungle yaga. Jungle. Jungle. Uy, shit. Punog. Ah. Punog. Wow! Ito. Live game tuloy. Buisit ng potek. Pintado eh. Okay. That's the end. By the way, Mojang, kung napapanood mo naman to, Mojang, if you're watching this, please update Bedrock combat system. Please. Not like that. They are comboing me as I like the Java more because when you PvP, right, you can combo but you can spam. So that's much goodier because Bedrock isn't fun if you get comboed. So Java, please update Bedrock combat system. Thank you.